Hello there, it's me Thai, the developer and creator of TalPhone. So today I'll be fully introducing TalPhone, a next generation Android dialer and multi-platform contact app, redefining how users communicate, stay informed and stay protected. More than a dialer, TalPhone is a smart communication engine, combining utility, intelligence and privacy-first innovation. This isn't just another dialer, it's your phone's brain upgrade. TalPhone is packed with intelligent features like a smart dial pad that identifies mobile network operators and their countries, USSD codes detection with warnings for malicious actions, in-app micro window for search, translation and maps, shortcuts for calling apps like Google Meet, WhatsApp, Viber, without saving a contact, and visual intelligence that detect actionable data from any image. Intractable data like phone numbers, email, locations, and more, all intractable with just a tap. So let's talk a bit about the existing phone apps. You see, the issue with most phones is that mobile calling hasn't kept up with the smart revolution. Default dialers are static, unaware, and disconnected from the user's actual needs, lacking both insight and security. Spam calls persist. USSD abuse remains unchecked. They stay silent while shady app dial secret codes in the background. And as for helping you understand what's going on, you're pretty much on your own. With the changing learning curves of the AI age, the speed at which new knowledge is acquired and applied is now paramount. As know-how spreads and evolves with unprecedented velocity, the learning curve is no longer a fixed path, but a fluid, organic process of constant discovery and refinement, where knowledge is continuously updated and applied in real time. This dynamic environment is precisely why TalPhone has to work even offline, ensuring that speed and intelligence are consistently available wherever they are needed. So how does TalPhone achieve that? TalPhone replaces your default dialer with a modern, intelligent communication hub. It becomes your default dialer, spam blocker, caller ID, and security gatekeeper. All of those in one app. From smart USSD interpretation to call analytics, from voice command automation to visual recognition, all of those done offline. TalPhone is what the dialer should have always been. TalPhone Visual Intelligence is the in-app Google Lens and Apple Visual Intelligence alternative. Users can scan images or pick from their photos and extract useful information. Whether it's a phone number, a date, an email, a location, TalPhone recognizes it. It highlights it and make it instantly actionable. Call, message, copy, translate, navigate, all within a clean and immersive UI. TalPhone as your default dialer redesign how the dial intent works. Instead of redirecting users to a full screen dialer, TalPhone responds with a sliding up layout showing users actions like call, message, or even proceed in the dialer. So no jumping from app to app, no full screen takeover. It's just a smooth next-gen user experience. Imagine calling from Uber without having to leave the app, or from WhatsApp without having to leave the app. So speaking of personalization in TalPhone, every user is unique and TalPhone gives them control with contact-specific reminders, silent modes, auto responses, and even custom call screen with themes and layouts. The other thing is TalPhone gives its users a deep view into their call behavior. TalPhone has useful metrics for each contact. This turns raw call log into meaningful, actionable insights. TalPhone also comes with security measures aimed at significantly reducing hacks like SIM swap vulnerabilities or social engineering threats from malicious app or remotely controlled spyware. To achieve this, TalPhone's security measures dive deep into the telephony framework, standing as a guardian at the gate of the telephony system. It intercepts and blocks malicious dial code before they run. It monitors and takes cautious actions against apps that gained accessibility services. Some apps go rogue at runtime and tends to impersonate you and dial codes or even a number without your consent. So if TalPhone detects dangerous or blacklisted dial code, it will silently block and abort the running of the code. So whenever a user wants to dial the mobile network operator, TalPhone will ask to unlock the screen lock. This is to prevent impersonation or abuse of the service on behalf of your name. TalPhone also checks for anomalies on your device, like root access, unlock bootloader, or even apps that might be violating sandbox boundaries. TalPhone will also alert you if it happens that your mobile network operator has changed your SIM, and it will also provide the contact details of the mobile network operator you're using offline. Even without root level access, TalPhone provides advanced behavioral surveillance to help users make informed decisions, acting as the first line of defense in a zero-trust mobile environment and increasing concerns over mobile privacy. TalPhone is positioned at the intersection of user empowerment and security. That is why TalPhone has to create a new category in intelligent mobile communication. TalPhone adheres to robust privacy compliances, respecting regulations like Malabo Convention, General Data Protection, the California Consumer Privacy Act, mandates from local communication authorities. So that is it for today. See you on the next videos.